So far we have sold goods. But many businesses sell services, and a service is not an HS code, it is an ISIC code. This video shows what happens when a line has no code at all, and how to fix it. We build not gates for a support service. The line is an annual maintenance and support contract, a service, not a product. We open the tax code on the line and mark it as a service, but, to show what goes wrong, we leave the ISIC code blank for now, and apply. We create the invoice, finalize it with a payment, and try to send it to NRS. We send it to NRS, and this time it is rejected. There it is, NRS will not accept the invoice because the service line has no ISIC code. The message tells us exactly what is missing. We dismiss it. Now we fix it. The invoice is not cleared, so we can still edit it. We open it for editing. We scroll to the tax code on the line and open it. It is still set to service, so we now search for the right service code, computer and facilities support, pick it, and the category fills in. Then apply. We save the change. Back on the invoice, we click Fix and resend to NRS. Cleared. With the service code added, NRS accepted it, the same invoice that failed a moment ago. And here is the official cleared invoice as a PDF, carrying the NRS reference number and the verification QR code that proves it is genuine. That is the lesson. Goods use HS codes, services use ISIC codes, and if a code is ever missing, NRS tells you exactly what to add, you fix it on the line and resend.